Hi guys. So in the previous video we discussed about the placements of BTech courses in NIT Warangal, and in today's video we are going to discuss the placement of postgraduate courses in NIT Warangal. So NIT Warangal usually offers postgraduate courses like MTech, MSc and MBA. So here are the departments that offer master's degree, all the major engineering departments and the departments of physics, chemistry, etc. offers MSc degree. So here are the abbreviations of the courses. So let's get right into the placement statistics. So the first one is from civil engineering department and the specialization is water resource engineering. You can see the placement percentage is not that great. Only 34% were placed in last year and the salary isn't also that much great. As you already know that in MTech, especially in civil and mechanical departments, the placements are not that great even in top NITs, because the recruiters prefer BTech rather than MTech, and most of the students in these two departments go for higher studies like PhD and they opt for teaching jobs. So there are few specializations under the civil engineering department, like this one is the environmental engineering department. You can see also approximately 50% were placed in the last 2 years and the average salary were 5.69 LPA, which isn't bad but not great either. There is another specialization under civil engineering department, engineering structures. This specialization is highly opted by the candidates, and as you can see in the placement also almost 80% were placed with a median salary of 5.19 LPA in last year. There is another specialization, geotechnology engineering. Placement isn't that great, only 39% were placed last year and the average salary was 6.63 LPA. Transportation engineering under civil engineering department, placement is okay and the average salary is also okay. Another branch under civil engineering department, construction technology and management, CTM. The placement scenario in all the branches in civil engineering department is quite similar except for the structures, engineering structures. There the placement was a bit higher. Here is another branch, remote sensing and GIS, and interestingly for this branch student from other branch also can get into this MTech specialized, and here also the placement isn't that great and the salary is really poor in this one. So here all the branches under civil engineering department, and you can see only in ES, that is engineering structures, the placement is a bit high. So now let's move on to electrical engineering department. And electrical engineering department, there are two specializations mainly, the power system engineering, and the placement is not that great. As you can see only 46% was placed, but the average salary is also average 6.2. Now another specialization is power electronics and drives. This is highly opted by the students. This is more research oriented specialization in electrical engineering and the cutoff goes really high for this one. So the placement here also isn't that great, 56% were placed and the average salary is also 6.45 LPA. So here are the two branches under electrical engineering department, both are okay in terms of placement. Now let's move on to mechanical engineering department. In the mechanical engineering department, the first one is thermal engineering, and thermal engineering, the placement is quite good. I wouldn't say bad, because 60% of placement in mechanical engineering MTech, that is pretty good, but the average salary isn't that great because 5.58 LPA for an MTech is pretty average, and that too from a premier institute like NIT Warangal. So let's move on to next specialization. This one is manufacturing engineering and the placement is pretty average, 53% were placed, and this salary is 6.02 LPA. This one is computer integrated manufacturing. The placement is pretty average, and the salary is also average, 6.25 LPA. This one is machine design, and in machine design also the placement is approx 50%, and the average salary is pretty low, 5.22. This one is automobile engineering, and here the placement is pretty high. I mean, in the last year 91.67% in automobile engineering. That is pretty high for any specialized in mechanical engineering department. And the medium salary is okay, is 5.9 LPA. This one is materials and system engineering design, and the placement is really poor last year, 9.09% only, but before that year it was 87.50%. so I don't know why this much of a drop has occurred. And the average salary is just okay, 6.75. AM, this one is additive manufacturing, and the placement percentage is 50%, and average salary is 5 LPA. So here are a list of all the specialization offered under mechanical engineering department of the last 5 years. Guys, as usual, I have provided the link to this PDF in the description. You can download it from there and check it for yourself. Let's now move on to EC department. So EI is electronic instrumentation, and the placement is pretty average, 55%, and the average salary is good. The average salary is 12.50%. that is pretty good. You can see over the year the average salary has been higher than other two departments, that is mechanical and civil. So 10, 10, 12. Now let's move on to VLSI. This is the most opted branch in EC department, and the placement is good. I mean, the previous year the placement was, 2017-18 placement was really good, but in 18-19 the placement has dropped a bit. But you can see the average salary is 12.3 LPA. That is pretty good. This one is advanced communication system. This one is also highly opted by the electronics student, and you can see in the placement the average salary is 14.55 LPA. That is huge, and the placement percentage is also pretty good, 68.75. So here are the 3 courses offered under EC department, and the placement is approximately 60% in all the specializations. Now let's move on to this one, and this one is industrial metallurgy under the metallurgical and materials engineering department. So the placement is quite poor, 33% last year, and the average salary is 5.85. MT is materials technology. Placement is really poor, 25%. Before that year no one was placed, and the average salary is quite good though, 8.09 LPA is pretty good. So we have the 2 specialization under material science department. Now let's move on to chemical. In chemical engineering department, the specialization offered is chemical engineering, and the placement last year was 55%, and the average salary was quite poor, 4.46 LPA. Now PC is process control. This one also comes under chemical engineering department, but this was introduced in 2017, and there has been only data of last 2 years, but the placement in 18-19 was pretty good, 85.71%. and let me tell you, for this specialization students from other branches also can apply. As per my knowledge, the instrumentation, electronics and electrical people also can apply in this department. So the average salary in this specialization was 5.25. So these are the 2 departments, specialization under chemical engineering department. Now let's talk about CSE. The first specialization under CSE is computer science engineering, and the placement is, you can see 90%. Before that year it was 100%. And look at the maximum salary, it was 39 LPA and the average salary is 15.7 LPA. This is obvious because CSE departments always have good placement in any NITs. And there is another specialization under CS department, that is computer science and information security. Here also the placement was pretty good, 85%, and average salary is 16.27%. So these are the two specializations under CS. Now there is MCA course also, which is offered by computer science and engineering department, and the placement is pretty good. 81% placement is really good, and the average salary is 14 LPA. This is really good. The MBA is offered under School of Management, and MBA placement is also good. I would not say great. You cannot expect IIM level placement in NIT, but it's good. Average salary is 5.27 and 73% of the people were placed last year. So here comes some MSc which are offered under mathematics department. This one is applied mathematics, MSc in applied mathematics. The placement is poor, I mean really poor. Only 10% get placed and 4.2 LPA is pretty low. And MNSC is mathematics and scientific computing. The placement here also is 30%, but the salary is a bit high, 6.59 LPA. So these are the two under mathematics department. Now this one is under physics department, and the course is MSc Technology in Photonics, and 57% were placed with average salary of 5.73%, which is good. This one is another course, MSc Technology in Electronics Instrumentation. So here also there are no placement data last 2 years, but before that year there were 6 students placed. So these are the two specializations under physics department. This one is Modern Methods of Chemical Analysis, MSc, and it is offered by chemistry department. The placement is poor and the salary is also poor. So let's move on. This one is Dyes, Drugs, Pharmaceuticals and Pesticides under chemical engineering department. Here the placement is surprisingly good. I mean 57% were placed, that is pretty good, and with average salary of 5.2 LPA, that is good. So these are all the departments and all the postgraduate courses offered by NIT Warangal, and placement is really good in CS and EC, except that in civil, mechanical, electrical, few branches are good, and the MBA placement isn't that good also. But if you are in CS, EC, then you might go for it because you can expect a good job with high salary from NIT Warangal. So guys, this was for the video. I will see you in the next one, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe